Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Midwest Test Fishing. Today we are going to be fishing at this tiny creek. And what I love about creeks like this is how many different species you can catch. So today we have got 3 different micro crankbaits, the smallest ones I've ever seen. Picked them up at Walmart. And we are going to try to catch 3 different species on each of these crankbaits. So tag along. So this is the first lure that we've got. Just a tiny little crankbait, say about 1 inch, little treble hook. And it looks like a little green sunfish. It's got that kind of green or orange on the bottom. So we're just at the edge of the water. So we're gonna head down and see if we can catch some bass, creek chubs. I know there's crappie in here, green sunfish. Hopefully we can get one of those to bite. Now, it doesn't like to run very deep. So creeks like this are probably gonna be the perfect application. I wouldn't want to fish this around a pond unless it was around a dock near shallow water. Oh, there's something. My goodness. Crazy how aggressive these things fight. This is just a small little smallmouth bass, but they really pull. Pops right out, man. Just in this little hole right here on the little green sunfish micro bait. Since we have that one knocked out, let's try to tie on and knock out this sexy shad. This is a much deeper diving one, a little bit longer, not gonna have as tight as a wobble. Let's see what we can catch on this one. I'm gonna treat this almost like a jerk bait. Big smallmouth. Not big, but smallmouth. It looked big by the flash. Oh, not a smallmouth. That's a little largemouth. This guy is chunky though. Alright, got the hooks out. Just tiny dink. I mean, look at how small he is, but healthy. Definitely gorging on minnows of some sort. There's another one. Yeah. This one feels better. Just by the fight, I'm guessing it's a smallmouth. Please don't tell me it's the same one. Yep, smallmouth. Shoot, twist my line up. Alright. Fish number 2 on that little jerk bait. We'll let him go. They're small, but healthy and feisty. Let's try to get one more on this bait. Yeah, another one. Oh my goodness. You look at that. Massive shiner on the jerkbait. Whoa. That's crazy. I didn't even think they ate minnows like that. Right. For microbait number 3, we have got this little rattle trap, the Lipless crankbait. Has 2 hooks, and we'll try to get 3 more species on this. Start off again just by throwing around in this hole. Just gonna give it some pops and let it sink. And really let that flash do its work. Maybe I'll vary the retrieves and try some straight retrieves as well. Oh my goodness, guys, there's a fish on. I did not even feel that. When you look at this, a crick chub on a lipless crankbait. I don't think those 2 words have ever been in the same sentence before. Crick chub, lipless crank. That's nuts. There's 1 species down, still on the hunt for 2 more on the lipless. Feels like something's on, but I can't see it. What have we got here? That was another crick chub. There we go. Oh, nuts. I just have the suspicion that it's a shiner or a creek chub. Something that maybe doesn't have the mouth size to really inhale it. There we go. Yep. So I was definitely right. I don't know what those black dots are on it. I wonder if that's some kind of parasite or what. Because I've been thinking about doing a catch and cook like in this creek. But I don't know. After seeing stuff like this, kind of makes me want to not. Still only 1 species. We need a shiner, smallmouth, sunfish, crappie, something else. That was pretty crazy. A big ol' shiner. He hit that like top water. Oh my goodness. Shiner on the micro lipless crankbait. Ooh. When these little guys get on there, you can barely feel them. Oh my goodness. Be free, crick chub. Oh, what's this? Much better fish. There we go, you guys. Oh! How did that happen? Broke the line. That was a much bigger smallmouth bass. Oh, shoot. That is unfortunate. Now that was the third species on the Lipless crankbait, so I guess it's a plus and a minus bittersweet moment there. But we're gonna throw back on the little minnow that we started with, and maybe we can get that bass to hit that and get our Lipless crank back. Right now the only species that we have on this is a smallmouth bass. So if we can get a shiner, crick chub, or largemouth, any two of those three, we'll have our checklist complete. Man, it's so fun seeing those little smallmouth come up and just hammer the bait. This is as far as I think we're gonna go. This is quite a ways, but we're gonna head back, hit the same holes, still have two species that we need to catch on the tiniest bait to complete the challenge. There we go, you guys. A much bigger creek chub on the little crank. He inhaled that. Good grief. That is pretty nuts. Out of him just like so. And off he goes. Species number 2. Now we just need a largemouth or a shiner. Oh, what do we have here? Looks like a good fish. Oh, just a chub. We already have. This one's a lot nicer though than the first one. Right in the corner of the mouth. Decent chub. This is a largemouth bass. Yes! Let's go! This thing is crazy though. Largemouth bass, species number 3 for the small crankbait. But look at how fat it is. Let's get him unhooked here first. Look at how fat he is. That is nuts. I know that they've just been absolutely munching on minnows in here, but that is crazy. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video. We were able to catch, I think, 4 species total: smallmouth, largemouth, creek chub, and shiner. And we're able to catch 3 fish, not all the way on the Lipless crankbait, but 3 different kinds of species on each of those, completing the challenge. If you guys have ideas for future videos, go ahead and comment that down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.